So one of my son's daily chores is to get the turkey eggs. So we're gonna show you how a 4-year-old collects turkey eggs. There's 3. Look, there's 2 in the back. Why are y'all all laying, man? It's too early this year. You got them? Watch your head. How many we got?
3.
Let me take a look at those. There's some big old eggs. Show you in my hand. Yep. All right, take these back. I'm gonna grab that chicken egg for you, okay?
Okay.
Let me grab that. What are you gonna start laying? My Royal Palm? It'd really be nice if you would start, contributing. Because if not, I'm gonna get rid of you or eat you. Gonna clean out these pens. I usually clean them about once a week, but it's been like 2, almost 3. All right, Bubba. Here, take the egg. Take it and go. Leave me. Just go. All right. It's time to put them in the incubator. Enjoy homesteading.